And you guys remember that before we placed an order, we had 1,512 followers. So let's confirm if they have reflected through to. So boom, you can see it's still 1,512 followers, right? All we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh this, right? You just need to boom, reflect it, and you can see, right, it have reflected. You can see we currently have 1,635 followers. Easy peasy. This secret trick grew my Instagram very fast. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did it. The first thing I did is that I came to this platform right here. You can see on the screen, growbetter.net, right? And I just created an account and did exactly the same thing I'm about to show you guys in this video. The first thing we need to do is to create an account. How do you create an account in this platform? You need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place. Create a username, write your username together, come to this place, put your email, come to this place, put your password, and come right here, confirm your password, right? And after that, next you need to do is to click on this sign up, right, and your account is going to be created. Link to this website is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on it. It will take you to the website, create an account, and do what we are about to do right now. So because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So I just need to log into my account to show you guys exactly how I did it. So let's go. So right now I'm logged into my account. As you can see, when you create your account and log in, is exactly how it's going to be like. The first thing we need to do is to come to this category right here. Can you see this category? Tap on it and look for Instagram followers. And right here you can see Instagram followers. I like using this particular one. Instagram followers don't drop new premium, right? As you can see right here, I just need to select it. And the next thing is to come to this service right here. Can you see this service? Just tap on it. And the next thing you need to do is to select any preferable service. I like using the first one. I just need to select it. And the next thing we need to do is to come to this description and read the description. The description is actually what describes the service. Right here they say the start time 0 to 30 minutes, and they say deliver speed is 5k a day, and also they say that the refill is 30 days, and the minimum you can order is 50, and the max is 45,000. And right here they say the quality is high quality. Right here is where they wrote the kind of link that you need, right? But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's go to Instagram. Let me show you guys exactly how to copy link. So let's go. So right here I'm on my Instagram, as you can see right here. So the first thing we need to do basically is for us to actually copy link. And how do you copy link? You just need to come to this share link profile right here. Can you see this share profile right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it and your link is copied. So but let's go back to the Instagram. Let's confirm something. Before we place an order, we have 1,512 followers, right? I want you guys to mark it because we are going to come back right here for you to see that these followers are going to grow. So let's go. So what we need to do right now is to come to this place and paste our link. And once you paste your link, come to this quantity, put the amount of followers you want. I just need to put amount of followers I want, which is 100. Then come right here, you come to this submit right here, and tap on it, and you can see right here they say our order has been received. So all we need to do right now is for us to exercise patience, and these followers will start coming in. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund an account in this platform? You need to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it. By your left hand side, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see the add fund? Tap on it, and when you look right this, you can see this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and it will display two payment options in this platform, which is Quora Pay and manual. So let me show you guys how to use both of them. Let's start with Quora Pay. Select Quora Pay, put the amount you want to pay, and click on this pay right here. Can you see the pay? Tap on it, and boom. Quora Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or pay with bank? If you select debit card, put your card details and click on pay. If you select bank transfer, select bank transfer, and you read all this instruction right here. Click on I understand the instruction and click on this continue right here, and boom, Quora Pay is going to provide account number, which you can see right here. All you need to do is to make payment to the account number, and you don't need to do anything. It will automatically reflect to your balance. Easy peasy. So let me show you guys how to use manual. Just come to manual like this, come and select manual and read this instruction. They say kindly read the instruction below. You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. Provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin contact us. So all you need to do is to make payment to this account number right here, and contact them by sending them your proof of payment and your username. So how then do you contact them? Click on this contact us, or click on this WhatsApp icon right here. It will take you to their WhatsApp, and send them your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username. They are going to confirm your payment and complete it for you. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to Instagram to actually confirm if these followers have started coming. So let's go. And you guys remember that before we placed an order, we had 1,512 followers. So let's confirm if they have reflected through to. So boom, you can see it's still 1,512 followers, right? All we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh this, right? You just need to boom, refresh it, and you can see, right, it have reflected. You can see we currently have 1,635 followers. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to actually boost your Instagram followers. What you need to do is to come to this platform, growbetter.net, and create an account, fund your account, and do exactly the same thing I did, and you'll be able to get this followers. So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.